Okay. So now we've filled in with a few more greens. And now we got ourselves an interesting question. How many pyramids do we have here?
So there's going to be this pyramid here.
Okay, that's on top there, sort of facing the camera.
And there's this one that's opposite it.
There's that one that's opposite it.
There's this one down here.
Okay.
And this one.
And which one?
This one that goes down like this.
Okay. So we found 4 pyramids. Do those 4 pyramids make up the entire volume of the cube?
Looks like it. Well, so this bit, that bit. Yeah, I think it did make up the entire volume. So we have this bit. Oh no, there's a bit in the middle that didn't get it.
That's interesting. There's a bit in the middle still. Can you see that shape that's in the middle?
Yeah, it's sort of this little
There's another pyramid in the middle. So these 4 pyramids make up some of the volume, but do they make up all of the volume?
No.
So what does that mean in terms of our possible answer choices?
That means that all of these are out.
Okay. All of those are out.
So it's either a 6th or an 8th.
What do you think now?
Well, I think it doesn't look like 4 more of these pyramids would fit into there.
Okay.
So I would go with a 6th.
You'd go with a 6th now. Alright, so can you see what shape that is in the middle?
Yeah, it's like a tetrahedron.
There's a tetrahedron in the middle now, which is interesting. Which has got as a base an equilateral triangle formed by the greens. You see that?
Yeah.
And it's got some height equal to, whatever that is. So our choice now is, do 4 of these pyramids make up that tetrahedron, or do 3 of those pyramids make up the 2 of the pyramids make up the tetrahedron?
Because this would mean that this, if it were 4 more, this would mean that this is half the area.
Half the
volume.
The volume.
So it doesn't look like that would work.
It doesn't look like that would work.
So I would go with B.
You go with B now. Okay, so this is an interesting thing. It's tough to see, even in 3 dimensions. Like, when you just are looking at it, it's hard to see, like, wow, it looks like 3 of these volumes add up to the whole cube, but then when you build it out, it's like, whoa, wait, 4 of them leave a tetrahedron-sized hole in the middle. And it looks, just from looking at it, like if we slice that tetrahedron in half, we would get one of these pyramids. Sort of. Yeah, so maybe that means there's 2 more in there. But 6 is the right answer. So it helps. The zoom tool helps us see that a little bit, doesn't it?
Yep.
Alright, good job tonight.